Today, we're going to be making 7UP biscuits using 4 ingredients. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, guys, these biscuits are so easy to make. Anybody can make them, even you and your kids, or maybe just the kids alone. First, we're going to need a large bowl. You're going to need a half cup, believe it or not, guys, sour cream. Okay, you're going to need 2 cups of Bisquick. And Bisquick looks just like this if you all don't know. You can get this at your local market, your local store, grocery store. It's called Bisquick. You're going to need 2 cups of Bisquick. Okay, I take my fork and I kind of make sure I go around it, make sure there's no lumps. Half cup of sour cream is going right into this batter mix. Then we're going to mix this together like there's no tomorrow. So we're just going to actually take all of this sour cream and we're just going to mix it all up. Okay, now, see, I got it combined pretty well, but it's all going to combine even more when I put the liquid in there. And the liquid is 7UP. You're going to need a half cup of 7UP. Woo! Good sparkly 7UP. I'm going to use the same cup because it's all together. This is my half cup of 7UP. Pull that 7UP right on in here with all our stuff. Look at that. And we're going to combine it all together. We're going to mix this baby up like no tomorrow. And we're going to make sure we mix it all up. So everything, because I got some dry pieces at the bottom. So we're just going to mix it up. Okay, if your dough comes out to be like a wet, doughy batter, no fear. Just take a little bit of Bisquick and you want to shake it in there because you want it to be like a firm. Just add a little bit more because you know how when you're making biscuits, nothing comes out like you want it. Even when you're making it, you got to get it perfect. So you got to just add a little bit more of the Bisquick flour to get them a little firmer. So just keep adding until it gets kind of like, you know, you can cut it out as biscuits. So you might need a little bit more than that 2 cups. I mean, because this is, you want to make sure that, and you want to mix it around, you want to make sure that you can take it and you can roll it out and you can mess with it with your hands. Okay, guys, I always spray my pan with nonstick butter spray. In my pan, we're going to get a half stick of melted butter, no salt melted butter, just regular old melted butter. We're going to get half a stick of that. We're going to spread that right into the pan like that, and we're going to leave it in there. Okay, you don't want to overwork your biscuits when you're making them and mixing them. So that's why you see a little flour on there, because I don't want to overwork my biscuits. My mix actually. So actually I'm just like scraping the bottom of my pan because I want all the goodness out of here and all of the crumbs. Okay, there's my biscuits. I'm going to take my hand and I'm just going to pet out my biscuits. You know, just do it like so-so. You know, this is about maybe a quarter. And I want these babies to be big. So these are going to be big. I'm going to take them. I'm going to stick them down into this butter. Cut another one out. I'm going to stick it right there inside that butter. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven at 325 for 15 to 20 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Let's watch our biscuits. Hey, has anybody told you about the Be Sure to Season seasoning blend? It is called Be Sure to Season seasoning blend. It's a wonderful, delicious seasoning. It's got everything that you would need in your cabinet, maybe just this alone. It's got vegetables, it's got spices, it's got herbs, it's got everything you need. The only thing it doesn't have is salt. And we don't need salt because salt can be a bad thing for you. And then again, it could be a good thing. But if you like salt, you can put it with it. It makes it, intensifies it even more. So go and order you a bottle of Be Sure to Season blend. Tell me what you think of it. Come on, guys, don't be scared. One taste will blow your mind. Be Sure to Season blend. You can get your bottle on Amazon or you can go to BeSureTocook.com. Order you a bottle today. Here they are, my 7UP biscuits using 4 ingredients. 4. Look how light and fluffy they look. Big and fluffy and soft. Oh my God, let's dig into one right now. Look how fluffy and light and moist. Look at me pressing down on it and it's bouncing back up. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. So here we go, guys. Our 7UP 4 ingredient biscuits. Very easy. Anybody can make them. Your kids can make them. And once you make them, you'll be like, oh my God, these will be on my table every morning, every afternoon, and every supper time. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's show because I did. I enjoyed making these for you. I've got some new other biscuit recipes that are coming out. So stay tuned for the new update on the new biscuits that are coming out, different types of biscuits. So don't forget to stay tuned to watch those. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this show because guess what? I didn't make these 7UP biscuits alone. You and me, we made these together and we're going to make plenty, plenty more. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, see you next time. Catch you on the next episode. Bye.